Vowels. In lip reading, there are many more vowels than the standard written ones because we go on sound and not spelling. Try to use face, neck, and lip movements for extra cues when reading lips. Try to relax, as this will help you lip read better than if you are tense. Next, in this lesson, we're going to do AH words. Try these words. Hard. Part. Tall. Roger. Doll. Ball. Father. Farther. Mall. Zombie. Coffee. Sasquatch. Almighty. All together. Ulterior. I'll bet. Awesome. Antibody. Officer. Oscar. Ostrich. Automation. Ongoing. Hall. Hot. Fought. Sought. hot, lot, brought, naughty. This next one, try mixing them up. Heart or hate? Heart. Fart or fate? Fate. Part or pat? Part. Bark or back? Back. LARPing, lapping. LARPing. Harp or happen? Happen. Tarp or trap? Tarp. Start or state? State. Smart or smout? Smout. Cart or cat? Cart. Art or rat? Rat. Part or past? Past. Pop-Tart or Pop-Mark? Pop-Tart. Dark or dank? Dark. Stark or stack? Stack. Marker or parkour? Parkour. Tartar sauce, torture boss. Tartar sauce. Scar or scare? Scare. Par or pair? Par. Car or care? Care. Try these sentences now. Let's go look at the paintings at the blank exhibit. Let's go look at these paintings at the let's go look at these paintings at the art exhibit. I like to squirt my friends with blank guns in the summer. I like to squirt my friends with guns in the summer. I'd like to squirt my friends with water guns in the summer. Next. My God is a blank God. He lives. My God is a God. He lives. My God is an awesome God. He lives. Jim Carrey says, then. Jim Carrey says, then. Jim Carrey says, alrighty then. Vaccines are known to cause blank. Vaccines are known to cause Vaccines are known to cause Vaccines are known to cause autism. And this next one, in brackets, farts in an elevator, in brackets. And the sentence is, well, this is blank. Well, this is awkward. How could you do that? You are a blank person. How could you do that? You are a person. How could you do that? You are an awful person. The super doors are blank. The supermarket doors, sorry. The supermarket doors are automatic. And blank has 8 tentacles. And has 8 tentacles. And has 8 tentacles. An octopus has 8 tentacles. She performed so well, the blank was deafening. She performed so well, the was deafening. She performed so well, the was deafening. She performed so well, the applause was deafening. And last one, I sometimes read books and other times listen to them blank book. I sometimes read books and other times I listen to them on blank book. I sometimes read books and other times listen to them on I sometimes read books and other times listen to them on audiobook. All right, that completes our lesson. And come back again and keep practicing.